Hey everyone, I'm Abby Sharp. Welcome to Abby's Kitchen. Spring has finally sprung, and that means we are all looking for really great, fresh, colorful recipes to start our day. So today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite recipes from the Mindful Glow Cookbook. If you don't have this book, folks, be sure to get it. You'll see the link below in the description. But we're going to be doing a traditionally egg-based recipe because I know Easter's coming and a lot of you are looking for egg recipes. But for my plant-based friends and followers out there, we're going to be making this completely plant-based. So this is my sweet potato and black bean scramble breakfast taco with Tomatillo Salsa. It is so fun, it's so colorful, and it's 100% vegan. So you guys are going to love it. Let's do this. To a pan, I add a little bit of olive oil over medium-high heat. And then I add some diced sweet potatoes and give it a good stir until they all start to brown. Then I add a can of rinsed black beans, maple syrup, chipotle and adobo sauce, cumin and cinnamon, and I start to cook everything until the sweet potatoes soften. Then I set them aside and keep them warm. Next to the pan, I add a little more olive oil along with some firm tofu. Then I add some turmeric and some nutritional yeast along with a pinch of salt. And I give that a good stir and cook it until the tofu gets nice and yellow. To assemble, I layer some corn tortillas with my tofu, my sweet potato black bean mixture, some avocado, some tomatillo salsa that you're gonna need to get a copy of the Mindful Glow Cookbook to get, some crumbled feta cheese, vegan or not, cilantro, and some lime. Enjoy! What an awesome way to wake up in the morning. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you loved this video, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below with some of your plant-based egg swap recipes. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!